Welcome back to our channel. This is Pasha. Let us start our today's class. Name of the chapter is Triangle and its properties. Triangle and its properties. In this video, we are going to discuss about the properties of a triangle. Observe this triangle. In triangle ABC, the length of AB is 6 centimeters and BC is 5 centimeters and AC is 8 centimeters. Next, add any two sides of a triangle AB plus BC, which is equal to the length of AB is 6 centimeters and plus the length of BC is 5 centimeters. 6 plus 5 is 11, which is greater than the length of the third side AC, 8 centimeters, which is greater than the length of the third side AC, that is 8 centimeters. Now BC plus AC, add these two sides. The length of BC is 5 centimeters plus the length of AC is 8 centimeters. 5 plus 8 is 13, which is greater than the length of the third side 6 centimeters. In the same way, and add these two sides, AC plus AB, the length of AC is 8 centimeters plus AB is 6 centimeters. 8 plus 6 is 14, which is greater than the length of the third side 5 centimeters. Here what do you notice? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Next, observe the difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle. Here AB minus BC is 6 minus 5, 1 centimeter, which is less than the length of the third side 8 centimeters. Now we can conclude that the difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is less than the length of the third side. This is what the relationship between the sides of a triangle. Median. What is median of a triangle? Observe this triangle. In triangle ABC, now BC is the midpoint of here D is the midpoint of BC. Now we are joining AD. The line segment joining from a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called median of the triangle. A triangle has three medians. Here from vertex B, we can draw from vertex B. Now name this vertex midpoint as E. E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. Now join F and C. A triangle has three medians. Okay, all these three medians intersect each other at a point in the interior of a triangle is called centroid. The point of concurrent is called centroid and it is denoted by capital G. And this is median of a triangle. Next, altitude. What is an altitude of a triangle? Altitude is nothing but height of a triangle. Altitude. Observe this triangle. In triangle ABC, the perpendicular line segment from a vertex to its opposite side, perpendicular, which makes 90 degrees. Now name this point as D. Now AD is perpendicular to BC. Now AD is called an altitude of a triangle. Now here also a triangle has three altitudes from B to its opposite side AC, perpendicular line segment, and from C to its opposite side AB, and all these three are an altitudes of a triangle. But here, do you notice anything? What is the difference between median and an altitude. Okay, let us consider this triangle. Observe this triangle. In this triangle ABC, now a perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. Now it is called an altitude of a triangle. Then what about median? Now D is the midpoint of BC. Now the line segment joining from a vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. Now this is called median. This is called median and it is an altitude. AE is an altitude and AD is the median. Okay, this is the difference between median and an altitude. Let us move on to the next property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. What is an angle sum property of a triangle? The sum of the measures of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now if you consider a triangle ABC, in this triangle angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This is called an angle sum property of a triangle. Let us prove this by using one activity. On a white sheet of paper, draw this triangle ABC and mark the angles as shown here. Mark the angles as shown here. Next, using a scissors, okay, cut out these angular regions, three angular regions. Now draw a line XY. Draw a line XY and mark a point O on it. Mark a point O on it and place these three angular cutouts adjacent to each other to form an angle. Now you will notice that you will notice that one straight angle. Okay, all these three angles, they form one straight angle. The measure of the straight angle is 180 degrees. So we can conclude that the sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle 180 degrees. This is called an angle sum property of a triangle. Next, let us move on to the next property. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property. What is an exterior angle property of a triangle? Let us observe this triangle. In this triangle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the three interior angles of a triangle. Now it is an exterior angle. Angle 4. The measure of any exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Here angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. It is an exterior angle property of a triangle. A triangle has many exterior angles. Here an exterior angle is formed here and next to here. Let us observe with some examples. In this triangle ABC, angle A measures 50 degrees and angle B measures 60 degrees. Side BC is produced here. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. Here the measure of an exterior angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. What is an angle A? 50 degrees plus angle B 60 degrees. 50 plus 60 is 110 degrees. The measure of this exterior angle is 110 degrees. Measure of any exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. 50 plus 60 is 110 degrees. Let us take one more example. Observe this triangle. In triangle ABC, now exterior angle ACD. Angle A is 70 degrees. Exterior angle it measures 120 degrees. And find angle B. Find angle B. Here angle A plus angle B. Here angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. The measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles, angle A plus angle B. Angle A it measures 70 degrees plus x degrees. Let angle B x degrees is equal to ACD 120 degrees. Angle ACD it measures 120 degrees. Now find x angle B. X degrees is equal to 120 degrees minus 70 degrees. 120 minus 70. So here if you transpose any quantity from either LHS side to RHS side or RHS side to LHS side, plus quantity becomes minus. Minus quantity becomes plus quantity. 120 minus 70 is 50 degrees. So x angle B, x is equal to 50 degrees. Now this is an exterior angle property of a triangle. These are all the properties of a triangle. So we will discuss more problems by using these properties in the next video.